Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Food Love Kitchen, and I'm Pradnya, and today we are going to make Domino's style a very delicious cheesy garlic bread. It is a very easy recipe. If you like the recipe, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So now let's get started. So, in a bowl, take 1/4 cup of warm milk. It should be warm, it should not be hot and cold. Don't use cold. And then add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix it well. We add sugar because yeast feeds on sugar. So now here sugar has dissolved. Mix it till the sugar gets dissolved and then add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, active dry yeast, and cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. If it will not bloom after 10 minutes, then don't use that yeast because it is not good. See here, my yeast has bloomed after 10 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic. Then add salt as per taste, and then add hot chili flakes. You can add hot chili flakes and oregano on as you wish. I'm adding one teaspoon one teaspoon red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of oregano, and then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it well and form a dough. I'm using hands here. If you think the dough is much dry, then add a little water. The dough should be sticky or soft. Now here the dough is formed. Now I'm going to knead it for 5 minutes to 5 to 10 minutes. Take plain flour or all-purpose flour on the flat surface and just knead it for 10 to 15 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes or till the dough gets soft. Knead it very nicely, and while kneading you can also use oil. After kneading it, cover it and place it in a bowl and let it rest for 2 hours. So I'm going to make no oven garlic bread. So for this homemade oven setup, just place some salt and then stand and lid and let it preheat for 10 minutes. And this is our rested dough for 1 hour, and you can see the yeast has done its work. And now I'm just going to knead it once again. And here you can see I'm going to just roll it out and stretch it out by my hands and using my rolling pin. First I'm going to use my hands. So it's just like creating a pizza base. I suggest you to do not skip the step of adding chili flakes and oregano to the dough, because it will enhance the flavor of our dough. And just roll it out now with your rolling pin and your hand. After rolling it out, circle, just let it on the floor or the flat surface. And it's time to make the butter. To that add, this is softened butter. To that add garlic as per your taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garlic and chopped garlic and chopped fresh coriander, and mix it well, very well. You can also use melted butter, but softened butter really tastes nice and it just spread very well and doesn't make the dough very wet. Now spread it all over the dough very nicely Then should not be a single place where there is no garlic butter. Now here's mozzarella cheese. Lots of mozzarella cheese, which is I'm using Go cheese brand. You can also use Amul brand or cheese which you like. Now, so I just placed it in middle of the dough so that it will be easy to give the shape. Now for the taste, you can here add any masalas or anything that you love to add. Here I am adding hot chili flakes once again, and yes, hot chili flakes are really enhance the flavor, and also the oregano is important. Now here I am adding the oregano too, and just cover it and give it a shape. Press the dough from the sides and just dust the flour. You can also add any other things that you love or veggies inside, like onion, capsicum and corn are the veggies that get cooked earlier. And here's the remaining butter which I have melted. Just spread it all over the dough or all over the bread. Still it's not the bread, but yes, all over the dough. And here I'm just adding some more chili flakes, half teaspoon, and just giving it cuts. The cuts now will make it easier to cut it afterwards, so I'm giving it now, and then just give the gentle and nice cuts. Now here's a baking tray with butter paper, lined with butter paper. You can also just apply some oil, and now again I am going to top it with cheese. You can skip this step, but you will love it to skip. Then half teaspoon again chili flakes, and just gonna bake it in a homemade oven. And now when the bread is cooked or till it gets brown, it takes 40 to 45 minutes. Take it out, cut it, and just apply more butter so it will get more softened and tastier. And don't overcook or bake the bread, otherwise it will get over hardened. And our cheesy and delicious garlic bread is ready. Trust me guys, this is a very nice recipe, and it's better than Domino's. This is my brother's statement. Enjoy!